All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 98,000 miles and only 338 idle hours, if I'm not mistaken. That is correct. I had to confirm, folks. 338 idle hours, original smokestone metallic from factory. The paint looks very sharp, very shiny, and you can't see any flaws in the paint. Very well taken care of, folks. The vehicle has also been fully serviced. All PM services have been done, so this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape all around, folks. This was a former detective unit from the City of Bakersfield, California. No rust on her whatsoever. Vehicle does have fresh new window tint. Fresh new window tint all around. That is 20% all around. Not too dark, not too light. Perfect color combination. The vehicle does have one hole under roof, and I did install the black trash can antenna on top. That is going to be the actual antenna, none up. It's just there for looks, okay? Folks, this is going to be an E85, okay? So this is a flex fuel unit. Folks, if you're looking what I'm looking, this vehicle is in near perfect condition. The paint, the body, nice and straight. It only has one door ding. Correction, two door dings. That is about it. No visible scratches. This is not a repaint. Once again, this is not a repaint, folks. What you see is what you're gonna get. The two door dings, I'm gonna fast forward. There's one right here and one tiny one somewhere here on this door. Once again, I like to point little things out so that you are seeing what I'm seeing. Let's get back on track here, folks, because I do have a lot of ground to cover. Oh, actual antenna, folks. She ain't going nowhere, so if you need to drive through an express car wash, the antenna is gonna stay put. She is not going anywhere. Folks, I gotta tell you, the vehicle does have a brand new set of Goodyear Eagles RSA. Those are gonna be the 235, 55, 17. I wanted to keep the car original and uniform, so yes, I did pay the price. Once again, these are completely new. The tires are not takeoff. They are completely new, folks. And along with all four new tires, I did have a four-wheel alignment done to the car. So yes, she is aligned as well. She is not pulling to the left or the right. No spotlights ever installed in this vehicle. Once again, this was a detective unit, not a patrol unit. 98,000 miles with 338 idle hours. Folks, the vehicle also does have a brand new set of OEM headlights and corner lights, along with new light bulbs. Inside the headlights, you're gonna have the Sylvania CX3's light bulbs, so pretty bright, nice and white, and a little bit brighter when you're driving at night. I love the way they look, so I keep using the same those same brand of light bulbs, okay? Once again, new light bulbs, new headlight assembly, and corner lights were installed on this vehicle. The vehicle also does have a nice chrome grille. There is no bubbling on it whatsoever, no cracks, no breaks. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Folks, I'm gonna have to step it up. I have a lot of ground to cover here on this vehicle. So let's get to it. If I do forget something, if I do forget to mention something in the video, it's gonna be noted in my eBay ad. All right, folks, here we go. As you can see, the vehicle does have a nice matching rear seat and interior that is in near, well, almost perfect condition, except for the tear of the carpet in the front, which I will show you. Anyway, the rear seat is complete. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floor. The vehicle does have aftermarket floor mats. I did went on eBay and Amazon looking for the original color on the floor mats on this vehicle. I couldn't find any. Obsolete. So I went to O'Reilly's and I got a nice set of aftermarket floor mats. All 4 door panels are in mint conditions in the vehicle. All 4 door panels are in mint condition. Electric seat, everything does work. Driver's side seat is in good shape, nice and comfortable. Passenger side seat is in good shape, nice and comfortable. Folks, I do have some tears here. Actually, let me go ahead and I'll get to that in a minute. Honk does work. Cruise control does work. Vehicle came with 1 key, 1 regular key. Let's go inside. Sorry guys, I almost got ahead of myself there. Oh great, I locked myself in. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Alright, all pressure lights are up. Vehicle does have 98,000 miles. I am responsible for 230 miles driven so far. No issues. 338 idle hours. How it works. Stereo does work. Stereo does work. eBay, I do correction, eBay. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. So yes, he does have a AM, FM, CD player. That's what the vehicle came with. Ticket light does work. The blackout option is enabled in these vehicles, so whenever you open the doors, the light will lit up for you. Okay, so everything does work. Air conditioner is nice and cold, folks. Electric retractable pedals right here. Cruise control does work. Headlights, everything does work. Am I forgetting any? Oh yes. On this vehicle, the carpet is tore up right here. It's ripped. This is how the car came from the department. Not sure what happened, folks. I did go online, try to get you a matching carpet, but I couldn't. Obsolete. And so minor tears right here as well. Okay, folks, aside from that, you get yourself a perfect vehicle. Vehicle does have a full spare tire, floor down, hold down panel inside, floor jack on the right. I am gonna put a fire extinguisher there for you guys, so don't worry about it. It's complete. All right. Clean shut right there. Let's go under. Oh God, I hope no customers. Oh my God, I'm all over the place today. Okay, good. They don't leave here. All right, folks, here we go. This is where it's gonna get interesting, so please bear with me. Be patient. Let me try to see if I can cover everything in one shot. This is the engine. He's got the blue fail-safe Continental silicone hoses from factory. All right, let's continue. I'm sorry, I'm getting off track. Right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body will service clean out. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. 520 full synthetic oil service was done. Transmission service was done. Motorcraft LV is what we use. Fluid and filter kit. Vehicle also does have a brand new drive belt, tensioner, and pulley by Gates. That's something that I went ahead and did here myself. The vehicle also does have a brand new OEM coolant reservoir tank. The one that the car came with, it was already too yellowish. You know how they get old. I didn't like the way that looked, so I went ahead and replaced it. And I also gave you two new gallons of Motorcraft coolant to go with it. Okay, from that department, folks, vehicle does have a new battery. Vehicle also does have new A-arms on the bottom. Also does have new struts, strut assembly, driver's side and passenger side. Brakes were about 80% all around, so I didn't have to do brakes on this one. Okay. The lift supports for the hood are also new, folks. Brand new lift supports for the hood. Also, before I forget, I gotta tell you that because the vehicle did have front struts in the front, I had to replace the rear shocks in the back because the ride wasn't leveling how it should. It felt weird, it felt different. I knew the problem was in the back, so I went ahead and replaced the rear shocks. Now the vehicle is well balanced and is nice and stiff how it should be. Also, the vehicle does have a brand new OEM engine cover, okay? Brand new OEM engine cover from the department. The vehicle also does have a new intake manifold. Alternator appears to be new. Water pump appears to have been also replaced at some point. All those components are new, folks, okay, from that department. So they were servicing the vehicle themselves. And also I did get in between the radiator and the condenser, so I did a summer campaign. All the dust bunnies and the dirt that was in between the radiator and condenser was removed, okay. Sorry, kind of hard. All 4 hubcaps on the vehicle, OEM 4 hubcaps, are in nice condition, folks. Mint conditions, okay? Am I forgetting anything? I hope I'm not. The clock is ticking. The cup holder that's in the vehicle is also a good use. When I first got the vehicle, there was no cup holder in place. I did get lucky, and I did find a matching color on eBay, so I bought it, okay? Folks, this vehicle did receive a lot of work from me and that department, so I'm assuming that the department did an amazing job keeping up with it, and I came along and I did the rest. So there was so much money invested in this vehicle that I literally left her in perfect running condition, folks. I don't know what else could I have done to make it right. All right, folks, the clock is ticking. I have to go. Thanks for staying with me for these 12 minutes. You guys have a blessed weekend out there. Please take care. And if you are interested in this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's see if I can help you out get behind the wheel of this beautiful car. Thank you. God bless and take care.